In this video, today I am going to discuss what are the internet related crimes committed under cyber law in India. So there are several crimes which is done through internet. So let us discuss. First is financial fraud and online scams. What comes under this head? Lottery scams, loan frauds, and phishing to steal sensitive banking information. Phishing. What is phishing? Phishing is a type of cyber attack in which fraudsters, those who are fraud, impersonate trusted entities like bank, social media. They appear as their trusted entity like coming from bank or on social media to steal personal information such as passwords, credit card numbers or OTPs through fake emails, SMS messages or website. So these fraudsters try to steal personal information like passwords, credit card numbers or OTPs through fake emails, SMS messages or websites. It's a form of social engineering aimed primarily at financial theft or data theft. Second is identity theft and hacking. Unauthorized access to computer systems, email spoofing, and using other identities. Now, what is spoofing? Spoofing refers to a fraudulent impersonation of a trusted person. That person who does spoofing um, makes himself as a very trusted person, and it may be a website or a system which may be seen, may be believed that it is very trusted. The purpose is to mislead you. What is the purpose? The purpose is to mislead you and steal personal information, obtaining passwords or inject viruses into your system. This is a form of deception that weaponizes trust. So this is identity theft and hacking. Now coming to cyber stacking. What is cyber stacking and bullying? Harassment via digital communication, social media trolling, and spreading or threatening to share personal data. It threatens. People threaten to share personal data. Cyberstalking and cyberbullying are forms of harassing, intimidating, or threatening someone via internet or digital devices. Now, cyberstalking involves repeated following, making threats, and gathering personal information. While cyberbullying involves making fun of someone online, spreading rumors, and sharing offensive content. So this is cyberbullying and cyberstacking. Now, child exploitation material. It is also done through internet. Publishing or transmitting child sexual abuse material, in short consists CSAM, which is strictly punishable. Ransomware and data breaches. Attacks targeting personal or sensitive data and extortion through malicious software. Now, what is ransomware here? Ransomware is a type of malicious software, malware, that locks, encrypts computers or files and demands a ransom for their return. It holds files hostage until payment is made. So deliberately they want to drag money in their pockets. So this is ransomware and data breaches. Digital arrest or impersonation. Fraudsters posing as law enforcement to extort money. They seem as they are going to enforce law. So they, in order to extort money, to extract money from the individuals. Here, impersonation means creating a fake identity. They have a fake identity in cyber security. It is a type of phishing attack where criminals impersonate as a trusted person like CEO, co-worker, banker, to defraud you and steal confidential information or money. Now, the point is, what is the necessity of cyber law in India? So, while doing this, internet crimes, India needs some strict laws regarding to fight against these internet crimes. So first is fighting against cybercrime to set punishment for modern crimes like hacking, phishing and online fraud and to enable prosecution. Second is protecting individual rights to safeguard data privacy, prevent harassment and protect intellectual property online nodes. Strengthening cybersecurity to enforce security measures for computer system and critical information infrastructure. Regulating digital transactions. The IT Act provides the legal framework for e-commerce and electronic signatures. To ensure data safety, rules under the IT Act mandate corporate entities to adopt reasonable security practices for protecting their personal data. So this is why we need cyber law in India. Now, what are the key legal frameworks provided in our country? The first is the IT Act 2000, the primary law dealing with cyber crimes, providing legal recognition for electronic transactions. There was an amendment to this act. It was in 2008. It enhanced the original act to include stricter punishments and new categories of crime. And also BNS section 318 and 78. Old IPC it was under section 420 and 354D and it applies for crimes such as cheating. In case of cheating, we apply BNS section 318 for where the punishment is given, what punishment has to be given when a person cheats someone, and stacking is given under section 78. So friends, this was all about the internet crimes and the preventive measures and why we need cyber law in India. So this is all about the crime and need necessity of these laws and the key legal frameworks which have been provided in our country for preventing these crimes. Thanks for watching this video.